looking good. Music. Alright, so I'm going to be documenting Hurricane Milton. Right now I'm in Palm Beach. We're going to try to go west to where the storm's going to make landfall. It's Wednesday around 5 p.m. We're already starting to feel the effects. This boat is sank, and this boat is also sinking. It's pretty unfortunate. It's getting pretty turbulent. I say the wind's about 20-30 miles an hour right now. But we're gonna document the storm and see if we can get closer to get some more action. I'll probably be out here all night. Yeah, the wind slowed down a little bit, but it's like, it comes and goes, like 20 miles an hour. Alright, so right now I'm on the inlet in a coastal. We're going to go a little bit further towards the ocean, about maybe half a mile, and then we'll see how it's looking over there, and then we're going to decide if we're going to stay on the east coast or on the west coast. We'll see. That looks like so much fun. Woo! I got hit. Oh, jeez. Refreshing. Alright, more videos soon. He's going in. Oh, he's in already. Okay. Where? Oh yeah, he's there. I gotta learn how to surf. I gotta lose about 100 pounds. Alright, so it's 6:15 now. Came back to the same spot. The boat's got a lot closer. They're being dragged in. So there's all these boats are anchored, but they're being pushed in by the power of the water. So it's pretty crazy. We'll come back and see if the boats actually come closer. I think they will. It's gonna start raining, so I'm gonna get some cover right now. I just got in the car and look, the rain came down heavy. That's crazy. Alright, it's gonna get worse and worse. It's only 6:20 right now. Alright, it stopped raining at 6:25. The boats are getting closer and closer. I'm still in Lake Worth area. So it's like South Palm Beach. Maybe about 10 miles south of Mar-a-Lago. Maybe a little more. We're going to move around a little bit. We're just waiting to see if the boats come in. And then we're going to either go north or west. We'll see. I'd say it's probably 40, 45 mile an hour winds. It's picking up for the last hour and a half. Yeah, but these boats have moved really close compared to when I first saw them. Alright, so we're gonna come back. We're gonna go to the beach again. Wait for my brother to catch up to me. So I'm staying in this area. We'll go to the beach. We'll come back, see if the boats got closer, and then we're gonna move to see if we can get closer to the actual storm.
This kind of wind is at least 150 miles an hour.
It's crazy. Alright.
Crazy. Look, it damaged all these buildings. Where?
It went through here.
This is normal.
I think a tornado came through here. We're on the beach. Are we in Fort Pierce? Where are we? A lot of tornadoes happen because of this hurricane.